So good evening, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, what I want to do very quickly is basically just do a recap on my Sunday weekly analysis. So some people usually ask me, okay, fine. I usually give an idea on Sunday evenings of how I think the market is going to go, and does it really go the way it's supposed to go. So I just want to show you guys yesterday on my weekly analysis, I gave certain I gave my opinion on how I was thinking the market would go, and we can see with gold, if you watch the video I did yesterday, it's on my YouTube channel as well. You can go back and just reconfirm what I'm saying right now. So I had actually anticipated that gold would still continue to be bullish, but what happened this morning, of course, while I was asleep during the Asian market session, when the market was opening, gold started dropping. Okay, so we can see a bit of a down move here. Let me see. Let me look at the 4 hour. Sorry, I'm doing this on my phone, guys, because it's easier right now. So we can see, so gold was about at around 1880 yesterday, if I'm not wrong. Let me just hold on, guys. I am trying to okay, let me look for, so gold was around, today is the 14th. So last night, last night gold was around 1878, thereabouts. So what happened through the Asian market during the London session, gold actually pushed lower, which for me was actually said that yes, I was bullish, but I wouldn't be surprised if gold actually did come lower. And for me, once it got to my zone, in my zone there, but there being around here, right? Yeah, previous level of liquidity, I was like, okay, this thing is actually going to it's actually going to just keep buying. So that's exactly what happened. And if you can see, sorry about that, guys. Challenge of using your phone is that, okay, so you can see here, gold has pushed up about almost my TP this New York session. I gave a trade at New York session 1851.267. We can actually check this trade out on my channel, okay, on my Telegram channel, because I like being real, guys. I don't like to, I'm not one person to just say one thing and I'm saying it for the sake of it. So I gave a gold trade. This is my fierce group, and you can see this is today, okay. 1851 buy stop. I gave a buy stop for gold at 1851.26. We can see there on TradingView, it says 1851.267, same thing. And my target TP3 is 1871.65, which is 203 pips. We just got shy of 203 pips. I think we got about 185 pips on gold, okay, with no drawdown, okay. I had put my SL at 1847.13, and I mean, when gold started moving, it just moved up, and you know, in this 4 hour candle. So that's one trade, guys, that actually went well, according to my analysis from yesterday. And then another trade, obviously, US 30 or DJ. I had actually anticipated for US 30 to also drop, okay? I had actually said that US30 was bullish, but I would not be surprised if I saw the drop to the downside. Okay. And if you guys see, I'd given my parameter here, 34,423, and US30 is still pushing down, the TP 34,230, which is about almost 200 pips away from entry. Okay. And the reason why I gave a sell at this level is because, first of all, US30 was on the 4 hour, was on the 4 hour structure. Okay. By the time the market was opening a New York session, and it had broken below, it was actually, it had formed a really strong bearish engulfing candle. As you can see, this candle here is a bearish engulfing candle. Okay. And this, for me, because it closed below, it was just moving very aggressively, and I was seeing rejection to the upside here. And just looking at it, I was seeing like this on the earlier in June, we pushed up, and then we got to this high here. You see this level of liquidity at the supply zone at 35,102. And then we just kept on pushing lower. We haven't, so we've been in a kind of a distribution phase, and we are just headed for the previous level. We're probably grabbing liquidity before we continue to push up, because US30 is actually bullish long term, right? So if you want to see, I actually called this trade it was the third trade, I think. Was it the first trade? It was the fourth trade. I called 34,423, 34,423, guys. And you can see we're still in the trade. My TP3 is 190 pips. I've given a potential intraday target of 200 points. Actually, points, not pips, because US30 we count points. And we can see we're still headed there. Okay, we are possibly in the 100. We've already done 150 points. So yeah, guys, when I say that, when I give ideas or my opinion, usually it's not like I'm just talking for the sake of talking. I also remember mentioning USD JPY, but guess what, guys? I didn't call it. I second guessed myself. Yes, it happens. So I didn't call it. And then by the time I was like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. So this was the original trade. I had actually told you guys yesterday on the Sunday analysis that UJ was going to buy. It took a bit of time. This morning, it wasn't really moving much in terms of showing me a good sign. So again, like I said, I second guessed myself during the New York session. I was like, And by the time I decided, okay, I want to call it out, it had already gone. And I don't like chasing the market. I hate chasing the market. So, you end up making trading emotionally. So I said, it's okay. At least we got gold. At least we got US30. So yeah, so really pleased with that, guys. So if you're wondering if, again, the signals that I do share in my signals group are worth it, they are. Okay. And yeah, so try us out. Please feel free to like, subscribe, comment on my YouTube channel. I really, really appreciate it. And you keep me motivated to keep doing these videos and just sharing my knowledge. And also click on the notification bell so that anytime I post up a new video, you guys actually able to get it in time. So that being said, guys, do have a lovely, lovely Monday evening. Enjoy the Asian market if you're trading the Asian market, or we can see you guys tomorrow during the London session. Bye. Thank you.